You sent the invoice, and the customer finally paid you. Awesome! But in QuickBooks Online, getting paid is actually a two-step process. First, you have to tell QuickBooks that the invoice is paid. Second, you have to tell QuickBooks that the money actually went into your bank account. If you skip the second step, your bank accounts will never match your books. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to receive payments and record your bank deposits correctly. Let's start with step 1. Head over to the top left corner and click the plus Create button. Under the Customers column, click on Receive Payment. This is the screen you use whenever a customer pays an invoice that you already sent them. Start by selecting your customer from the drop-down at the top left. The moment you do, QuickBooks will automatically pull up any unpaid invoices for that customer in a list down below. Just check the box next to the invoice they are paying. Next, enter how they paid you, like a check or credit card. Now, pay close attention to the Deposit to field. If you are taking a single check straight to the bank, you can select your checking account here. But if you are holding on to a few checks to deposit them all at once later, you must select Undeposited Funds, which is sometimes called Payments to Deposit. This acts like a virtual holding folder. Once you have that set, click Record and Save at the bottom right. Now for step 2. You just came back from the actual bank, and you deposited those checks. We need to mirror that action in QuickBooks. Go back to the plus Create button, look all the way over to the Other column, and click on Bank Deposit. At the top left, make sure the account selected is the actual bank account where the money went. Below that, QuickBooks will show you everything sitting in that Undeposited Funds folder. Simply check the boxes next to the payments you just deposited at the ban. Before you finish, look at the total amount in the top right corner. This number must match the exact amount on your physical bank receipt. If it matches perfectly, you are good to go. Hit Save and Close at the bottom. Your invoice is closed, your cash is tracked, and your bank reconciliation will be a breeze. See you in the next one.